Hi, I'm Neely Nathan. I have a TV show called Great Healing Getaways and a website where I write, research, and host on holistic health from around the world. Today I'm showing you how to make homemade facials right at home. This next one is a great anti-aging mask that I love to do from time to time. And what you're going to need is 6 teaspoons of evening primrose oil. And then 1 teaspoon melted honey, which I melted a few seconds ago there. And then you want to do your essential oils, 2 drops of neroli. Make sure it's 100% pure essential oil. You can find these in a health food store or online. This next one is mandarin. And then 2 drops of orange. Orange, I find, gives my skin like a shiny, dewy quality, which I love. There you go, 2 drops of orange. And then enough ground almond to make a smooth paste. So you could just play around with it. That was about 2 teaspoons. And there you have it. Now I'll just apply it on my hand so you can see. Oh, that feels really nice with the warm honey. And just leave that on for at least 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Go lay down and relax. And then wash it off with warm water, and you will be rejuvenated and refreshed.